Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Havells Hydro 750 watt 3-jar mixer grinder. As you can see, there's an illustration of the 3-jar mixer grinder right on top of the box over here. Outside this, we barely have any information over here, so I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. So there you go. This is the actual box for the Havells Hydro 750 watt 3-jar mixer grinder. You will see the images of the product. This is the actual image of the product right on the box over here. These are the 3 jars, and this is the 750 watt motor unit. I will obviously show all of this to you. A lot of information here. This particular device comes with 5 years of warranty, 5 years of motor warranty, 2 years of product warranty, and it's also ISI certified. This comes with 21,000 revolutions per minute. That's a lot. And over here it says comes with 3 speed with pulse, 304 stainless steel blade, break resistant polycarbonate dome as well. And over here it's written wider mouth jar for extra fine quality. Let's quickly take a look at what other information we can gather. More boxes here, but we also have some documents. Let's quickly take a look at them. This is a product information page from Havells. This is the user manual. Okay, it's been taped up, so I will keep the tape over here. So this is the operating instructions manual for the mixer grinder, the Hydro 3-jar mixer grinder. Everything that you want to know, all the different components, what to do or not to do, it's all written over here. So you should read this at least once. This is a very important document. It also comes with the warranty. Now let's see what's there in these boxes. So this is the first jar. This is the liquidizing jar. It's made out of stainless steel. This is the largest jar over here. This also comes with this break resistance cover as well. All these lids actually have these rubber layer over here. So it basically acts like a suction cup and makes the lid airtight, like so. So you can see it's now airtight. Next we have the dry-wet grinding jar. This is the dry-wet grinding jar. This is what it looks like, also made out of stainless steel. So this comes with a very standard plastic lid, but also has the rubber suction layer to it, makes it very tight when you close it down. This is the third jar. This is the Chutney Grinding Jar. And notice that all of these jars have a blade attachment like this. So these are stainless steel blade attachments. Also, please note that these are made of food grade stainless steel material, which means that if this were a cooking bowl, you could cook in this particular bowl. This also comes with its own lid. There you go. Put it back. Now let's take a look at the motor unit. This is what it looks like. This is the Havells Hydro 750 watt mixer grinder. You will notice there's a pretty large dial here. This is the manual control. This is the 3-speed setting. And this is the motor unit basically. The jar will go on, all these jars will go on top over here. Let me just put one to show you how to fit it in. It's very simple, just twist and push. That's all you have to do. It's a pretty large body, by the way. This is not a very small mixer grinder. It's more or less a decently sized mixer grinder. It comes with this glossy black finish as well. It has a bit of an ergonomic design going on. And you also have this pretty thick cable at the back, this spark cable at the back with a 3-pin socket. You can see. There you go, 3-pin socket with a thick power cable. I will attach it to a power source and see if this actually works. Here we go, let's try it out. You heard that, it's quite powerful actually, makes a lot of sound. I'll do it again. Not only does it make a lot of sound, but it takes quite a while to cool down, so you have to be careful about that aspect as well. One other thing I should mention is that this particular unit comes with 3 suction cups at the bottom part over here. There you see the 3 suction cups over here. So this makes this super firm when you press it down on a flat surface. See, It's not going to move anytime soon. It's going to be very difficult. And also, you know, it basically attaches itself to the surface. So that's a great addition. There's also a reset button right over here. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Havells Hydro 750 watt 3-jar mixer grinder. Thank you for watching.